I am very hungry.
How big is the roundabout?
Yeah.
This is the roundabout. This is roundabout.
The starter, the main.
Yeah, the main course. Excuse me. Sorry. 620.
It's up to you, this one.
No, I don't like.
You don't like?
You don't like this one, bolognese?
Yes, I like.
I want bolognese.
With cheese or salmon?
I don't like salmon.
A bit small.
Kapag save ka na ng money.
It's a little bit small.
No problem, it's okay. So this is the cereals place and he's ready for his work tomorrow. This one. And this is my place. This is my place, just so small. And this is mine and this is cereals.
And French music.
You're half Asian now?
Yes.
What is that?
Chinese food.
No, it's shawmai.
Shomai.
Okay.
See shomai.
You like?
Hmm?
So, do you accept being
But along
an
with,
Asian now?
along with rice.
Along with rice? Oh, you like?
My flight is scheduled in 1 hour.
Going to?
And the final destination is the Philippines.
Oh, can I go with you?
Yes.
Okay, so we are ready to go now. We just finished our breakfast.
Also,
Oh, baby! You're so cheeky. This one, we...
start, you start.
What? No, I recorded it.
And also
No, I will include that in the video.
No,
This
no.
one
No,
is the one that we bought
any.
before coming here for us to save money. No! And this one and this one. Okay, so we saved our breakfast for today because we had our unlimited Asian buffet yesterday. So, are you ready for your flight?
Yes.
Now we're on our way to somewhere, and it's really weird because yesterday the weather was really nice, it was sunny, and it was so cold in the afternoon.
Exit right. You see some cake.
It's indicated.
Some cake.
Okay. And then now it's raining. So the weather is really weird. So it's not unusual if people get sick easily because of the change of weather. Hi.
Hi.
Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, 1, 2, 3. here now in our new house. We're going to stay here for a couple of years, and it's just about 7 minutes away from the workout city.
Voilà. Après, bon, voilà. Moi, je vous dis, c'est deux pièces qui servent à rien.
Ouais, c'est un peu...
Après, c'est vrai que c'est bien qu'il y ait le garage et tout ça.
Ça fait...
S'ils avaient raccourci le garage, par exemple, qu'ils avaient ouvert.